Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about maps and globes. So let's begin topic. Maps. Maps are a visual representation of the Earth's surface or a portion of it on a flat surface, drawn to scale. One drawback of maps is that they are flat surface, but the Earth is round. This gives a globe an advantage over a map. Globes, on the other hand, are only beneficial for studying the entire planet. Globes are ineffective for studying only a portion of the planet, such as a single country or state, a district, town, or villages. Maps come in handy in this instance. Let's begin with the next topic, types of maps. First one, physical map. Relief maps are another name for physical map. They depict the Earth's natural features such as mountains, plains, plateaus, oceans, rivers, and so on. Next map is political maps. Political map depicts cities, towns, and villages in various countries and states with clearly defined borders. Thematic maps. Thematic maps focus on a certain piece of data such as roads, rainfall distribution, forest distribution, industries, and so on. As a result, titles are assigned to such maps based on the information they contain. Now let's begin with the main topic of our chapter, components of a map. Distance, direction, and symbols are the three components of a map. First one, distance. A two-dimensional representation of the Earth is a map on a small sheet of paper. It is a condensed version of the entire world or a portion of it. As a result, it's critical to pay close attention to how you depict a distance between 2 points on a map. This will assist us in determining the exact distance between those two locations. Second, in the study of maps, distance is a significant factor. Scales are determined by distance, which is critical for any map. Third, the scale is the portion of real distance on the ground to the distance depicted on the map. Fourth, the scale aids in determining the actual distance between two spots on a map. Fifth, when huge areas such as countries or continents are depicted on a map, small scale are used and these maps are referred to as small scale maps. Sixth, when a tiny region such as a village or town needs to be depicted in a great details on a map, huge scales are used and the maps are referred to as large scale map. Now the next component of map is direction. First, the cardinal points are the four major directions of north, south, east, and west. Second, there are also four intermediary routes: northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest are the direction. Third, a compass is used to determine a location's direction. A compass is an instrument that determines the principal or intermediate direction of a location to another. When it is not in use, it has a magnetic needle that points north-south. Fourth, travelers and sailors have used compasses since prehistoric time. It's a little circular box with a built-in magnetic needle. Now the next component of map is symbols. First, symbols are employed to make map study easier, and features such as houses, bridges, trees, railway lines, roads, and other features are to be displayed on maps. Symbols are employed to do this. Second, letters, holes, colors, drawings, and dotted lines on a map are all examples of symbols. Water bodies are depicted in blue, mountains region are depicted in brown, a plateau is depicted in yellow, and plains and flora are depicted in green. Now let's begin with the next topic, sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing made from memory and observation on the spot. Sketches do not have to be drawn to scale. They are preliminary sketches of a certain location and must be located with other areas. Sketch maps are hand-drawn sketches that do not have a scale. Now let's discuss about plan. A plan is a drawing that depicts a tiny area to a large scales. Plans provide a wealth of information. The length and width of the room, for example, cannot be depicted on a map. We can use drawings created on a huge scale called a plan for this purpose. Now, do you know cartographers are professionals who create and design maps? Cartography is the study of maps. Geographers employ map projection to draw the geoid shape on Earth on a two-dimensional piece of paper or cloth, which was developed in the mid-17th century.
Give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell beside the subscribe button to be notified every time we upload. Until next time, take care and stay tuned to the ABZ Network on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.